Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Jaguar XF key battery. First, identify the correct battery type for your key fob, which is typically a CR2032. Next, gather a small flathead screwdriver and your new battery. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to prevent losing small parts. This preparation makes the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Gently insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a careful twisting motion, slowly pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Now, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves and press them together firmly until you hear a click, ensuring they are securely sealed. Once reassembled, test the key fob's functionality with your Jaguar XF to confirm everything is working correctly. Remember to check the video description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.